Well, today I am going to read you one of my favorite stories of all time. Have you seen this book? Raise your hand if you've seen this book. Someone have you seen this book? Well, this story is called The Little Mouse, The Red Ripe Strawberry, and the what? What are you talking about? What? I didn't see anything. Alright, this book is by Don and Audrey Wood. What? What are you talking about? Oh, what is that?
Let me eat the strawberry.
A little mouse?
I'm hungry.
Can you say hello, little mouse? Hello, little mouse. Alright, little mouse. What are you doing? Oh, I see. Are you going to pick that red ripe strawberry? Oh, I bet that would be really yummy. But little mouse, haven't you heard of the big hungry bear? Have you heard of the big hungry bear? No? You have? Oh, that big hungry bear loves what? What do you think he loves? He loves red ripe strawberries. And he can smell them a mile away. But we should be okay as long as we don't pick the strawberry. Leave the strawberry exactly where it is. Don't pick it. Don't do anything to it. If you pick it, we will be in so much trouble because bears love strawberries that have just been picked. What?
You picked it.
You picked the strawberry? Oh no, little mouse. What did you do? The big hungry bear will trot through the forest with his feet. Boom, boom, boom. Can you stomp your feet? Boom, 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 boom. And then he will sniff, sniff, sniff. He will smell the strawberry and come and find it. What are you going to do? What do you think she's going to do? Oh, I see, little mouse. Are you going to bury it in some dirt? Do you think that will work? The big hungry bear will find the red ripe strawberry no matter where it's buried. What's next? What else are you going to do, little mouse?
Lock it up.
Oh, you're going to lock it up. Do you think that will work? That big hungry bear will find it no matter how you guard it. Do you have any other ideas, little mouse? Do you think that will work? Why won't that work? Oh, you can still tell it's a strawberry? Oh, you'll find it even if you disguise it. What are you going to do, little mouse? Oh, he doesn't know. What do you think he should do? What? You might be right. There's only one way to keep the big hungry bear from getting the red ripe strawberry. What is it? Eat it. You have to cut it in two, little mouse. Cut it in two. And then you have to share half with me. And then we have to, what? Eat it all up. Now that is one red ripe strawberry the big hungry bear will never get.